Hi, I'm Phyllis Barnett. I joined Medical Fitness end of October, beginning of November. I was just tired of being overweight, no energy, so I found a gym. I didn't want to join a big gym, so I checked out this place and I've been coming here ever since, and I love it.
All right, great. And how much weight have you lost so far?
I've lost about 42 pounds.
42.
Wow,
Great,
good job.
great. And then what are some of the obstacles you've beat? What are some challenges to exercise you've can overcame?
I think the stamina, I hadn't exercised in years, so it was just getting into a routine.
Okay.
Once I got into that routine, I think it's just been perfect for me. It's just fit my needs. The increasing the weight and stuff like that.
Fun but challenging.
Right.
All right. And what did you think about the nutrition program?
Oh, I love the nutrition program. I actually just did the detox phase again to kind of kickstart my diet. I love the shakes. The chocolate shakes are awesome. They taste like chocolate milk to me, so I think it's awesome. So yeah, the nutrition was super easy to do. I was never hungry. I'm never hungry, so perfect.
And how does exercise make you feel now? Like, how do you feel after a workout?
Oh, I feel great after a workout. I actually go home and I have energy to do stuff. Even the next day when I'm a little bit sore, I still feel like I have more energy.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, and she's still continuing her journey.
Awesome. Thank you, Phyllis. Good job.